Hi friends, today we are going to make soya chunks, and I have used here 200 gram soya chunks. So you have to soak in the hot water for 10 minutes. After that we will squeeze the water. Now we are squeezing the water from the chunks. We have taken half onion and we have chopped it. We have taken some cilantro, 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies and little bit ginger. We have cut it into pieces, and 2 chopped tomatoes. And now we have to heat the oil into the pan. I have taken 2 tablespoons oil, and now we have to roast our soya chunks. So we need to roast it until it is brown. So it will take 5 minutes to roast it. So now you can see it is already golden brown, and we have to take it out from the pan and we will put it in a bowl. Now we have to heat the oil in the same pan. So I have taken 2 tablespoons oil and heated in the pan. Now we need to add asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 cloves and 2 red chilies and 2 bay leaves. Stir it well. Now we are adding first ginger. Now we need to add garlic and we have to stir it well. Now we need to add chopped onion. Now add salt as per your taste. And now we need to stir it well. Cook for 2 minutes till the onion is brown. Add spices. So I am adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and stir well. Add tomato. So as I have taken 2 tomato, green chilies, add 2 tablespoon water so your spices won't burn. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon garam masala, which is Indian blend of spices. 1 teaspoon mango powder. Now add the roasted chunks and stir it well. Now cover the lid for 2 minutes and put the flame at low. Add 2 cups of water. Now we need to cover the lid for 5 minutes. Once it is boiled, so it is already 5 minutes over. To take it out the lid, to garnish with cilantro leaves, add 1 tablespoon ghee or the clarified butter. So it will add nice flavor to our recipe. Stir it and we can serve in our bowl. Now we have served in a bowl. It looks very delicious. So you can have it with naan, chapati or any Indian bread.